Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I'm here to show you the new seasonal catalog for Close to My Heart for January and February. The core catalog, of course, has all the products that don't change, the basic products that are at least good for a year, probably beyond, and this one goes to August 2021. I've already done a flip through of this, so I will link to that below if you'd like to see it, but we're going to look at this little mini today. And there's information in the front to become a VIP customer, which there are a lot of perks involved in that, discounts and exclusive products and things, or to become a maker, which is what I am. I get a 25% commission on sales and then 25% off my items, plus there's perks. You know, I get to see everything early and get some other discounts. Okay, so I will link to that info below if you're interested. And here is their subscription boxes. So there's a scrapbook one. They come out every 4 months. And there's a card making one. And as soon as I receive this one, because this is the one I subscribe to, I will come on and show you what comes in it and how they go together and everything. But really cute, really a good deal on those. And I'll link to that below too. Here is the first new collection in this catalog. It's called Happiness Lives Here. One of the things they do really well with Close to My Heart is coordinating all of their colors. I really love how they do that. So they'll have a new set. They'll tell you all the inks and papers that go with. And let me pull a piece of my cardstock here, or my printed paper here from Close to My Heart so I could show you. At the top, there's always a zip strip, they call it. So this is the 12 by 12 area, and there's this extra area at the top. And what that is for is, besides using that strip in your decorations on your cards or scrapbook, they will tell you what this is, what the collection is, and they will tell you what colors coordinate with this collection. So that's really nice to have. This is Serenity, by the way, which was a November-December collection. Okay, so here's how the collection comes. There are 6 sheets, two each of 3 different double-sided designs. So they're showing you the front and the back here, and a sticker sheet, and that's how you can buy the package. Or you can just buy the paper pack without the sticker sheet if you want. There, you can buy the coordinating cardstock like this, so you don't have to go and buy a package of each color, which I really appreciate. There's wood shapes with this collection and journaling cards, and there is a Cricut collection that you can purchase that will be downloaded onto your website when you do your Cricut website. Here are the stamp sets that go with this collection. When you see that halo around, that means there's a thin cut or a die cut that coordinates. So you can buy just the stamp set, or you can buy it in a combo with the die set. There is a scrapbooking workshop for each of their paper collections, and you can buy it with or without the memory protectors or the page protectors that are 12 by 12. So it comes either way. And then they always tell you the different products they use to make, the additional products they use to make theirs look a certain way. So like the foam tape and the ink and the journaling pen, that kind of thing. And here is the card kit for this Happiness Lives Here. Really pretty. I love this stamp set. So you would get the stamp set, the thin cut, the paper, the envelopes, the card bases, and it would make 16 cards, which is a good deal. And then here are the additional products they use, the different inks and things. Here is the second collection they have, and it's called Sweet Safari. I love that it is a gender neutral collection for baby, because so often there's a girl collection and a boy collection, but this is very gender neutral. You could use it for either. And here are the colors that coordinate. Here is the paper collection, the sticker sheet, the coordinating cardstock. This one, instead of the wood shapes, it has puffy stickers. There is a Cricut collection, and there are journaling cards that go with. And here are the stamp sets. And again, they have thin cuts that match. I love that they've shown a slimline card here. I have not gotten into slimline cards yet. I really need to, right? I'm way behind on that trend, huh? Okay, here's the scrapbooking workshop kit. And again, you can get it with or without the sheet pages, the page protectors. And here are the additional items they used. And here's the card kit. So precious. I love this. And then the additional items they used. And here are mix-in papers. They always have a collection that would coordinate with either collection. So you can mix it in and use it with these collections, which is really cute. And there's one each of 6 double-sided sheets, 12 by 12 with a zip strip for $6.95, and that's a good deal. So they're showing you both front and back here. And here are the new stamp sets. I love this girl. I don't know. It's going to be tempting. There are a couple stamp sets that I'm really tempted, and this is one of them for sure. Even though if you've ever seen my craft room, my brother calls it my crap room. I don't know why. He's an adult. He should know better. But if you've ever seen my craft room, my husband calls it Hobby Lobby. So I really don't need new stamp sets, but this one I'm really tempted by. I love the little sign where she can say all the different sayings and hold it up on the card. Just too cute. And here is this Home Sweet Home. It has a die cut, really cute. A couple of little small ones. I love this seal, Made with Love, that can go on your back of your cards. Really cute. And Sending Love. This is the other one I'm so tempted by, and it does have a die cut with it. I just love this birdhouse. I don't know why, but that's the other one I'm really tempted by. Okay, so here are some stamp sets for very kind of Valentine's love that will go with. They have these thin cuts that will make this shaker card shape for you. Really help you out making that. And it's in the core catalog. So they're just showing you it here. Of course, you can order it anytime you want. And that these coordinate with that. I think that's really pretty. Here is another stamp set. Really beautiful. And they're showing you the coordinating product that goes with that too, the die cut. Here is a new Father's Day stamp set that is just too cute. I'm with Handsome. Go ask your mom. Don't tell your mother. If at first you don't succeed, call Dad. I mean, these are just really cute. Dad Bank. No remote control. Really adorable. And there's a thin cut for this stamp set too. And then here is the whole Latte Love. Really cute. I love that they have the sleeves and then you can stamp things directly onto the sleeve. They fit on there. And again, comes with a thin cut. Or you can buy the thin cut. And here are some winter penguins, which are adorable. Here's the other. They're different shapes that they have these die cuts that make the shaker cards. There's circle, and they have a little stitching to them, really cute. There's circle, square, star, and heart, I know. I think that's it right now. I love this letter tiles. There is a wood grain that you can stamp on them to look like wood grain tiles. Really cute, and of course a thin cut to go with. This is cute. So this is a thin cut that makes a pie shape. Cuts out these different pie wedges. So you can say what your favorite things are or what your life is all about. I love that the baby in this layout is cuddling and family. Though I think for baby I would add eating because that's basically eating, cuddling, family. But there's scrapbooking in here. You could put my life up above it. There's dog, friends, fun times. Just really cute. Pizza, tacos. So this is called the What I Love stamp set that coordinates, and this one's called the My Life. Just really cute. They have a new thin cut for the slimline cards and a new banner thin cut for the slimline cards also. And then some new stamp sets that are specifically to go with the slimline card making. Here is a new January stamp set. I love everything about this. So cute. And a February stamp set. Will you be mine? Yes or no? That is cute. This is a really cute home decor item. So you can buy the whole set together or you can buy the individual pieces. But there is a circle here and you get magnets and different pieces that you can coordinate this circle and change it out seasonally. You can paint the wood, you can decorate however you want. Here they've done some dimensional flower in the center there. But I just love that you can coordinate this and keep it up in your house year long and just change it out with the holidays or with the seasons. And then, of course, you can buy each piece separately if you'd like. Okay, here is the Valentine set. And there are 6 sheets. Okay, 2 each of 3 double-sided sheets. So 6 different designs, 3 different pieces. I love these. There's a sticker sheet. There's a stamp set. There are some shaker pieces, some little mini hearts, coordinating paper cardstock that you can buy. And then they're just giving you some ideas of some different things you might want to make. I love these. Do you see how they've wrapped that around a sucker? Put a sucker inside and then tied a little ribbon. That is cute. And here is, they're selling now the slimline card bases and envelopes. And they've got some new iridescent flower confetti that they've got. Really cute. And this is the stamp set of the month for January. The way the stamp set of the month works is if you have $50 worth of purchase in your cart, you can add this for $5. If you want to purchase it alone, it's $18.95. But I always make sure I get it for $5. But I love all these thank yous. I love when there is just a sentiment set because they just come in handy so much. I have quite a few sentiment sets, but I don't think I have one that's just all thanks or thank you. This is really cute. And here is the February stamp of the month. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is the Operation Smile stamp set. Every catalog will have one. This one's really pretty florals. $7 of the proceeds goes towards Operation Smile, which if you don't know what that is, it fixes children's facial deformities like cleft palate so that they can speak better, so that they can look more like their friends, and it's an international program. Anyway, it's a really great program, and that's what Close to My Heart is always donated to, is Operation Smile. I think this is a great catalog. If you'd like one of these, let me know. I'll see if I can get one to you in the near future. I think I can have it sent directly to you, which is a nice feature of Close to My Heart. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Any questions, put them below. Happy crafting.